Are you someone whose ears are not pierced because you're scared, or you just didn't have them pierced, or your ears are ripped apart and therefore you could no longer wear the normal earrings? You know where you have the pin behind, so you just like put it there, right? This one is normal. It has a hole, it has a piercing, but this one is whacked and torn. So I could never wear earrings that you just like put like that easily. I have to always wear clip-ons. Now, what if the design of earrings that you love are not in the clip-on form? And then you're just gonna stare at it because you can't wear those earrings. Well, if your ears are not pierced, or if your ears are whacked and torn like mine, don't worry, because you can wear those pierced type of earrings even without piercing. See, now I have this. I'm going to show you what it is. Stay tuned and don't go away. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help you find your better version. Whether it's through fashion, skincare, mental health, physical health, exercise, dancing, dressing up, looking good, looking confident, whatever it is that makes you feel good about yourself, I'm here to cheer you up and to help you find that light in you, because you are fabulous. If this is your first time in my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's free. My information is free. And I'm here not only to share information, I do a lot of research, so I also share the results of my research, and I try to entertain you once in a while. Just put the smile on your face. Just bring the sunshine into your day if ever it's gloomy outside, or if you're not feeling very happy. That's me. If you don't have pierced ears, or if you have ears like mine, you know, this is torn because when I was a little girl, when I was young, I already was wearing big pearl and gold earrings, and so they got torn because they got stuck in one of my crocheted bed sheets, and the tear became bigger and bigger as I grew older, and now I could not wear any pin style earrings. Like these earrings, I can't wear these earrings because they are, you know, this kind, because then the entire thing can pass through the hole. Oh my gosh. So my husband bought this set of, I don't know, adjustable hooks that you can attach the earring to, so that you use the hook to clip to your ear. And this is what I have. You see, I finally get to use these earrings. All you need to do is remove the hook from the earring. It's a really good hack if you really want to wear earrings. Like, I can't wear my real gold earrings, my real jewelry, because they're all this kind, right? I don't have any clip-ons that are real, and so I can never wear them. But with these, I can already wear them. So I'm going to show you. This is the hook. This is the pin. See, I'm putting it inside. See that? It's in. And then this one, you just put it down. And then I'm going to put it in my ear. And I'm going to put the clip on back. And then I'm gonna just tighten the hook. I'm so excited, honestly. I'm 62 years old. I stopped wearing my real earrings and this kind of earrings for, I don't know, since I was like 30. So it's been 30 years. And I just watch ladies with their dangling earrings, you know, those huge hooks. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Oh my God, I'm so happy. See, this is it, ladies. If you have no pierced ears, yes, you can use clip-ons. Of course, you can use clip-ons. But what if the earring that you love is not clip-on? What if? Doesn't mean you can't wear them anymore. You just have to buy one of these hooks. I'll have the link down below, and you can purchase them. It comes in a set of gold, yellow gold, rose gold, and white gold. I hope you're liking this video. Don't forget to give it a like, smash that like button, and share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Oh, my God. I have the link in the description. I love it so much. Oh, my self-esteem is shooting through the roof. I have to fix this, but there you go. Awesome. Awesome. Yay. Well, this actually doesn't match these. It should be with, off shoulder, things like that. But I hope you found this episode helpful. It's very short, but it's because I go like, oh my gosh, I better film this, because today is the first time that I actually used these hooks that my husband got for me, and I love it. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Smash that like button, comment and share this with your friends, because there's hope for us who have no pierced ears or whose ears are ripped apart, and yeah, we can wear beautiful earrings. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And then that way, when I come up with a new video, you will be notified, because what I'm going to share might be something you're looking for. You never know. I do have my social media platforms, Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. Email me if you have any questions, wishuponapond@gmail.com. And until I see you again, you take care, love yourself, and appreciate yourself, because you are fabulous. Take care. Bye for now.